Now, see here this example, a wheel with the 10 metallic spokes each of 0.5 meter long is rotated with a speed of 120 revolution per minute in a plane normal to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, that is 0.4 Gauss at a place. What is the induced EMF between the axle and the rim of the wheel? So, now see here we have to calculate first what is the EMF induced between the rim and axle. So, now we can apply here, see the concept. Suppose there is a magnetic field like this. Just I am taking here first to derive the formula. This is a magnetic field in this way, that is into the plane, and there is a wheel like this, and this is the center point which is called axle, and this is the rim here. Now, this is rotated like this. In this case, this is the radius or the one spoke here, which is equal to the radius of the wheel here, and there are the many spokes are connected like this. So, there are the 10 spokes over here. So, we can take any one of the spoke here. You know V is equal to omega r, this is the linear velocity. So, if you go from center to the rim, you will find at every point there is a change in the linear velocity of the point of the rod, or that is the spoke. We can take at this point, that is the 0 velocity, and at this point, that is the V. So, we can take the average velocity of this spoke. So, average velocity of the spoke is here 0 plus V divided by 2, that is V by 2. So, now EMF induced in one spoke whose length is, suppose here we can take L. So, that will be here EMF is equal to BL V average. Here we will be using here V average, and now we can get E is equal to BL V by 2. So, this is the EMF induced. Now, E is equal to BL V by 2 here. We can replace the here V value of the V also according to this formula, V is equal to omega r. So, we can write here V is equal to L omega. So, EMF induced will be here E is equal to B L square omega by 2. This is the EMF induced. Now, see here there are the 10 spokes. All these are acting like a parallel combination of the cells, because outer end is connected to the rim, that is common for all the spokes, and center point is at the axle also, that is common. So, whether there is a one spoke or the 10 or the 100, EMF will induce will be same, because they are acting as a parallel combination of the individual cells. Now, we can calculate here. We are given in question certain parts. Here we are given omega. Omega is equal to given to us, that is 120 revolution per minute, that can be written 120 into 2 pi f divided by 60 radian per second, that is here equal to 4 pi radian per second. So, you have got the value of omega. Value of L is, that is the radius 0.5. So, L given to you 0.5 meter. Magnetic field is given, B is equal to given to you 0.4 Gauss, and 1 Gauss is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla. So, we can write 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla. This is the magnetic field. Now, we can calculate E. So, here we will be putting everything is here. So, that is here 1 by 2 into 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 4, that is the value of B, that is 0.5 square, and now we can write here into omega, that is 4 pi. So, this will be the induced EMF in this case. So, now when you multiply this, you will be getting, after solving this one, 6.28 into 10 raised to power minus 5 volt. So, this is the EMF induced. Actually, this is the EMF induced across the ends of the one spoke. Since there are the 10 spokes, all are in parallel. So, the net value of the EMF induced will remain only this much.